Welcome all to a new video on GCP. In this video, we are going to discuss about images. Basically, whenever we are creating a machine, that is a computer instance, we are giving a type like image family, image provider, like the image project, like that. Something we are presenting over there, right? The same thing we are going to list the images. We are going to create custom images from the snapshots, and that is all those we are going to discuss in this video. So right away from the start, I'm going to start with the Google SDK. You can avail this Google SDK from the website, and you can download and get installed in your system. So the very first command we are going to use is gcloud compute. All these things comes under compute. So images list. Okay. So this will display all the gcloud images which are all available globally. Okay. Yeah. Now you can see like it's listed all the images. It will have SQL Cloud. It will have Windows. So many clouds are there. We can move up, move up, move up. We are having OS clouds, then CentOS clouds. So many things are there. Yeah. Now we are going to list the same thing, but in a different way, like listing based upon the project. Okay. And if like project in the sense image project. Okay. So like I'm going with Debian Cloud, which we are using frequently. Okay, Debian Cloud. So the Debian Cloud project, what are the images available? It will list. Okay, now we will list out the image families then. Okay, so image list, we'll make it as image family list, right? You can go with images list, filtered by the families. Okay, we can go with filter. The usual thing we'll use equal to family colon Debian tool. Okay, so it's a distribution actually. Debian tool isn't distribution. So we are checking what are the images list over there in this distribution. So we are having two images. Okay, fine. So that you can directly, instead of image family, you can mention like image, and you can provide this. So that also you can do. Okay, while you are creating a VM. Yeah, and the next we are going to see about the description of a particular image. Okay, so gcloud compute images, as usual, describe then your particular image name. So earlier from the previous command we came to know like few images are there, right? Debian 12, bookworm, then ARM64, then that is the ARM architecture of the particular one. 2026 0114. What the problem I had done is, if you are not mentioning the project, it will check with your local project, and in your local project it will not exist, right? The project is Debian Cloud. Debian Cloud, that is the OS provider, right? Debian Cloud. So it will describe the particular image. Yeah, like this, we are going to create list the custom images what are all there in your project, right? So gcloud compute images list. Here you have to be clear like a project, and you have to mention the project where we are working, right? For that we have to mention dollar, then bracket gcloud. The same way of writing will be there while you are doing CI/CD pipelines in DevOps. Config get value project value project. So in the project related commands we might have seen this, right? So it's a command which you can run in the command line easily. So that's the same thing we are getting over here. Gcloud config get value project. So based upon your project, it will check whether the image is available. Set project. I think there is no project set. So I'll make like uh, no issues. We will set it like gcloud config set project like active 479215 before. Now we can run this one command again. So actually the dollar something over there now it will work with the bash commands, actually Linux based bash commands I wrongly placed over here. And when you are going for PowerShell, I think hope we will try with that PowerShell. Sometimes the PowerShell will work with this one. I will try with that. My mouse is not working properly. That's what I can't able to copy anything. Okay, I'm moving to PowerShell. Let me check whether it will get the things. So it will display the images which are all related with your project, whatever we had used in our project. Okay, so that's the way we can utilize this one. PowerShell, in PowerShell you can run this. Okay, probably the gcloud commands you can run with PowerShell too, I think. Okay, fine. The next we are going to create custom image from a disk. Okay, a particular disk. Gcloud compute images create. So my disk image, we will make this my disk image. VM full demo, VM full demo, right? And I can make the source disk zone is like US Central 1A. I hope this will work. You can create from a disk, or else you can create from a backup. All those things, that is backup in the sense snapshot, that also you can utilize. It will take quite a few amount of time. Okay, it's got created. Next, the same way we are going to create from this one snapshot. Okay, so for that what we have to do is just we have to make no source snapshot. Okay, and you have to make my backup. That is what I think we had created, and we will make it as my disk snap. So this is what the image. My snap. Okay, and one thing. Yeah. Now the particular snapshot is created, right? Yeah. What's the use of doing this one? So we had created images from snapshots, we had created from some other, right? So the use of this one is you can create some VMs from the images what you are having, right? So that's what the main usage of this one. So either you can create like image family, where with that one you can use like that, you can create the things, right? So the final thing, you are creating a image with image family. Okay, that's the final thing, and then we will go with the delete command. That's it. That's the final one. Okay, gcloud compute images create an image image v1 is we are creating an image. Source disk is not there. This source disk is not there for us. Okay, let me try. I'm not sure whether it will work. So this equal to VM full demo, and then source disk zone is source disk zone equal to US Central 1A. And then we can specify family for this. Let me try with this. Okay, it's created a good way. Okay, now we can see like you can find this image in the family list, app family. Okay, so likewise we can see the things. And yeah, the final thing is we are going to delete the custom image. Okay, make this one to delete. Okay, so delete. And yeah, you can make like this one is important on it of source and all. That's how it got deleted. Okay, so these are the familiar commands which are all used in images. So these are the images related commands in GCP. So thanks for watching. We will meet again in another one video. In the next video we will discuss about GCP images, that is GCP managed instance groups. Okay, so that's what the next we are going to discuss on. Thanks for watching.